Here's a 2018 Honda HR-V. Is it an SUV, hatchback, or compact? Yes, and it's in a category all its own. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated bucket seats, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book explains the HR-V aims to do more with less and largely succeeds thanks to its easy driving manners, good fuel economy, and bigger than you'd think interior. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.